Hey guys, welcome to our workshop on the smoking addiction recovery program that we are starting up this month. We are so happy that you're here and thank you for participating with us. I kind of wanted to just go into the who, what, when, where, whys right now. So for who we are a group of trained professionals that are working together with the community to assist and support in the fall of the smoking epidemic. We are people with families that will treat you like family, and we are your friend. I want you to know that. I want you to feel very comfortable here, and just know that we're all here to help each other. So, what do? What's our purpose, right? In this stage of creating the smoking addiction recovery group, we know that we want to help smokers and their families battle the addiction of smoking, improve the health of our group, and be a supportive environment for change and growth in our community. Right now we haven't got everything worked out, but we do know that we're here to help you, and we want to improve your lives and your family's lives, and we want you to feel safe. When do we come together, right? Every day. Every single day we expect you to be in touch with your friends in this program and support each other, whether that's just through text or call. Right now with COVID, technology is going to be our friend, so I would expect you to come together and do that remotely. We will start meeting weekly on Wednesday nights at 6 p.m., just like we are tonight. So be looking forward to that. That's a great opportunity to network and have just more support than you already have right now. So when will these meetings happen, right? Or when will this support happen? We have a Facebook support group for online reach right now. Add yourself to it, add your families to it. We would love for it to be an uplifting environment where you guys can go for support. We will be meeting at the LDS Church in Otter Creek once COVID-19 is under control, but for right now, we will be meeting on Zoom, and we'll keep you updated if there are any changes. Our Facebook page will have that link. And we look forward to seeing you guys. So why are we doing this, right? The fact is simple. We love you and we want you to succeed. Many of us have had family members that have struggled with this. Many of us have struggled with it ourselves. And we have seen what addiction recovery can do for our lives, and we want it for you too. Now we're going to do a little icebreaker. Since we're on Zoom, we are kind of limited on the things that we can do to do this icebreaker. So I want everybody to go by birthday from youngest to oldest and tell us your name, your favorite food, where you are from, and why you want to be in this support group. I will leave this on the screen so that you don't forget what is on each, what are all the things that you have to touch on and discuss. Find out who's the youngest, find out who's the oldest, talk to each other, and find that out. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do that. Okay, go. this would obviously be where everybody's doing their icebreaker. I'll go first. My name is Claire Wiscombe. My favorite food is probably shrimp. I am from Little Rock, Arkansas, and I am in the support group to help others and support my friends and family in the smoking addiction. So if anybody else would like to go. Alright, now that everybody has met each other, let's move on. I want to know if anybody has any questions that you would like to discuss. Obviously this meeting is more for logistics and figuring out when, where, why type thing. If you do have questions, please ask them. I would like to help you in any way that I can. And every week we are going to go home with a specific assignment for you to do. This week you've got it easy. I want you to exchange contact information with the people that you have met, whether that be become friends with them on Facebook, Instagram, follow them on Twitter, get their phone numbers so that you can, call them personally. Any of those would be fine. Just know that you want to go home with somebody that you can turn to if you start struggling. And finally, I want you to be proud of yourself for coming today. I'm so happy to have everybody here today. And please, if you have any questions, concerns, please get in touch with me. Anyways, we will see you next week. Bye.